YouTube? It's your boy Q the Food, Q the Influencer, and we back with another one, baby. I just, stepped into the St. Louis kind of big mall, man, the St. Louis House of Hoops, and I saw some fire up in here, man. So probably gonna be like a 3-minute video, but we gonna quickly kind of show this joint off, man. See this fire they got up in this House of Hoops out here in St. Louis. Let's get it. We got these Kyrie things, man. Y'all probably saw these, like red brick with the paisleys out here. These are definitely dope, man. You don't kind of see these in Chicago, kind of all these different colorways, because we actually buy our kicks. But it's nice to kind of see, some of these, exclusive numbers that they still got up in here. Got the PGs down there. Still got Pearl KD 10s. Shout out to the Houston Warriors. Hope they win tonight. Let's see. We'll wait. Black History Months. And we back over here. Look at this. Y'all already know how I feel about these things, man. Shout out to everybody that, kind of watched my review on these, man. Commenting, interacting. Definitely enjoy that, man. Y'all the real MVPs. If you ain't got these Pippin Air Maestro 2 things by now, please go cop these. These things are fire. Show love to Pippin and them Bulls, man. Shout love. Gang, gang. What else we got? The Foam Action, Elemental Rose. You know what I'm saying? Air Force Ones. I'm an Air Force One high fan, man. Nike really, hey man, low key, Nike been doing their thing on these Air Force Ones. Don't sleep on these, man. Nice little creativity, detail. Go to Lowe's and that marble pack. You know what I'm saying? We kind of got images of, this week. Going down, man. These things right here, the leather on these is great. I can put some good leather quality on these. What's going on? Oh, these are nice. These are nice. Nice color on these. Yeah, you got the patent leather red things, man. But these aren't really red, man. These are kind of like a hot pink. See that kind of shine, lit up in there. For a low though, I guess they fire. They look better than the female version. They shake funny. Then you got these marble pack. The marble pack, man. Kind of see that. You know what I'm saying? Leather isn't as good on these as it is on those, olive pairs right there. But I mean, you're a fan of that marble graphic. These are definitely dope. These right here. I like these, man. That Vachetta tan colorway, man. I mean, the marble is a little funky, but I mean, these are fire, man. I could definitely see these going, if you dress them up nice in a dope little fit, man. Excuse my nails, man. We've been working hard out here. Those are fire. But yo, Nike, what are these guys? The Chanel swooshes? These are fire. Fire, 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 fire. That is creative. Yeah, these are crucial. We got those new Soldier, what is these, the 12s? St. Mary joints. Shout out to those, Zoom Generations coming out in this St. Mary colorway. I don't know, man. I don't think I like these more than I like these guys right here. You know what I'm saying? I hate that opening, man. You know what I'm saying? The ankle collar. It's sloppy to me. But y'all let me know in that comment box, man. What y'all think, YouTube? Of course we gotta come over here and see what's happening with, the jump, man. Ain't too much to write home about. We got the Westbrook. We got them team things. Got us some 6 ring action right there. And we got these shadows, man. Everybody's sleeping on these, man. I gotta pick these up. OG classic fire, man. These are fire, man. Other side, other side.
Like a light shortage there.
Got the Air Max love happening. I'm saying those are fire. Got them Snow Beach things popping. We're in St. Louis, man. Everybody going crazy over the watermelons. They got them. I'll be all sides too. I didn't know this was a leather swoosh on that. Got them things. Definitely got that Nike heat, man. I ain't seen these in person yet. And the satin guys. These are kind of dope. I like these. Definitely some nice little retro fire right there. Well, not retro, but you know, yeah, y'all know what I'm talking about. Nuts, man. Kind of slow motion. Your boy leaving that house of HOHs, man. It's a quick vlog, but thought it was cool. Y'all let me know what y'all thought of that quick, you know, store vlog in the comment section, man. Maybe when I'm in different cities, we'll do more of that. You know what I'm saying? It's funny that, you know, kind of wearing the same kind of fit that I was wearing in DC, man. That vlog is coming. It's throwback, flashback Friday or something like that. But it's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. Y'all already know how we rocking. Gang, 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 gang. And we out.